Powerfoil X3.0 is the ultimate big-ass fan, engineered to deliver maximum airflow and durably designed to withstand harsh environments with virtually zero maintenance. The X3.0's multi-patented airfoil system, purpose-built nitro-sealed gearbox, and the most robust range of safety features on the market make it as hard-working as the people below. With the industry's best warranty and a variety of customizable options to meet any facility's demands, there's no question why Powerfoil X3.0 is the best-selling big fan in the world.